Alright, this is the brand new 5-ton blast freezer install I just did. This is on a pretty small box. Usually this is only got a 7,000 BTU cooler unit in it, but we wanted to turn it into a blast freezer to freeze gel packs within 48 hours. So we went with the KE2 Thermal Solutions KE2 evaporator efficiency system along with their electronic expansion valve. What's really nice is you can log in with an Ethernet cable directly to the controller, and you can get into all your controls and settings and make changes on the fly, and you can have support where they log in and do some changes like we are now because we're having low load fluctuations due to how small it is.